Hi, it's Amanda here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Panvision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from the Middle East. History created in Doha, Qatar, first Roman Catholic Church opens. Devotees perform Satyanarayana Puja in Dubai. Here's what we have in our local news. Ashmita Montero of Bachpe makes it to the Under-14 national volleyball team. Chandada Kannada first designer script exhibition of Kannada language inaugurated. Pandit Vijay Agate mesmerizes Mangaloreans with his tabla solo. And in our entertainment bash, we have songs from Konkani Nirantari and a dance from the graduation day ceremony of Father Muller Institute of Health Sciences.
Apurva for Aptland.
News in detail. Doha, Qatar, a wealthy Arab Gulf country, opened its first Roman Catholic church, ending decades of clandestine worship for tens of thousands of foreign workers. Faithful, thousands in number, flocked to Our Lady of the Rosary Church to celebrate its historic consecration held on Saturday, March 15th and offered prayers. A long-awaited dream of all the Catholic souls in Doha, Qatar came true when the new church building of Our Lady of Rosary was inaugurated on Friday, March 14th. Abdullah bin Hamid Al Attiyah, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Energy and Industry of Qatar, inaugurated the new church building. It was a simple opening ceremony held on Friday evening, which was attended by Bishop Paul Hinder from the Vicariate Apostolic of Arabia, Apostolic Nuncio of Qatar Monget Al Hashim, Bishop Bernard Grimoli, Archbishop Giuseppe Den Andrea, Bishop Camilo Balin, visiting priest, ambassadors and foreign dignitaries and members of the Parish Council. Father Tomasito Veneration, the parish priest, welcomed the gathering. The consecration of the new church was held on Saturday, the 15th of March 2008. At least 30 priests of various Catholic denominations joined the main celebrant, Cardinal Ivan Dias, who especially arrived from Rome for the Holy Mass. The Church of Our Lady of Rosary said to be the biggest of a series of churches coming up in the area, which is designed by an Italian architect and painter by Signor Valentino Vago and could hold more than 2,000 faithful at one time. It is a good news for all the Christians living in Doha, Qatar. Well, in Dubai, Friday, March 14th was a special day for all the Hindus. Devotees in large number performed Satyanarayana Puja. Shri Satyanarayana Puja Seva Samiti UAE organized Shri Satyanarayana Puja at Karama Center Hall, Dubai on Wednesday, March 14th and sought the blessings of Lord Narayana for the betterment of all. Lot was taken to select a couple to perform among 175 couples who registered for the puja. Mrs. and Mr. Rajesh Pai were the blessed ones to perform the rituals of the puja. Around 650 devotees from all over UAE attended the puja to seek the divine blessings. The contribution from the puja will be given to Sanidhya Residential School and Training Center for Mentally Challenged Persons in Mangalore. The puja started with bhajans performed by the local devotees on the occasion, and the Maha Aarti was performed at 1:30 p.m. followed by distribution of prasadam and lunch. The puja was performed by Bhujanga Bhatt, and the initiative to have this puja was taken by Harish Kamath Vittal and his friends. Ashmita Montero, a student of Morning Star English Medium Primary School, Bachpe, is taking big strides in volleyball arena with her stupendous achievements. She had recently represented Karnataka at the national level volleyball under-14 tournament held at Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. At the recently concluded national level tourney where the state team secured the 4th place, Ashmita bagged the Best All-Rounder Player award for her on-court achievements. There are chances of Ashmita representing the national team at the tournament slated to be held in Malaysia in the coming days. Ashmita is the daughter of Noel and Janet Montero and sister of Leswin Montero of Bachpe. For all those who have been complaining of lack of visual appeal in Kannada script, there is a good news. A visual journalist, a well-known artist, Manohar Acharya of Bangalore, has come out with a designer script exhibition of Kannada language, a first of its kind in Kannada. The exhibition was inaugurated on Friday, March 14th at Prasad Art Gallery. Kannada is one of the oldest and beautiful languages of the country. With the Kannada software Baraha's pioneer launching latest versions with added features and the state government promoting Nudi also, the Kannadigas stand to gain. But what is missing in Kannada script is the designer look that English has in abundance. Bangalore-based designer K. Manohar Acharya has come out with a solution. Like English's Times New Romans, the Lucidas, the Batang, one can see how Acharya has found new fonts for Kannada. Chandada Kannada, a 5-day exhibition on designers' calligraphy and typography inaugurated at Prasad Art Gallery on Wednesday, March 14th, is a result of Acharya's 25-year efforts to raise the visual appeal of Kannada script. Alva's Foundation President Dr. M. Mohan Alva inaugurated the first designer script exhibition of Kannada language.
ಕನ್ನಡದ ಒಂದು ಬೆರಳಚ್ಚನ್ನು ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅತ್ತಾವರದ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೇಳಿದೆವು. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವುದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತಸ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಬರೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಕೆಲವೇ ಒಂದು 10-20 ಇವತ್ತು ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇಂಥ ಸಾಹಸಗಳು, ಲಿಪಿಯ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಮನೋಹರ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯರವರು ಈ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ತನ್ನ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆಯಿಂದ ಬದುಕಿಗೂ ನಮಗೂ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಂಬಂಧವನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Manohar Acharya also spoke on the occasion.
ಗ್ಲೋಬಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೋಕಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಈ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮೂಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಜ ಬಿತ್ತೋದರ ಮೂಲಕ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಳಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಶಯ.
Artist Combined Secretary Ganesha Somayaji was the guest. Sanskriti Sinchana 2008, a cultural and dance program held by K.S. Hegde Charitable Foundation on the eve of centenary year celebration of K.S. Hegde, is receiving good response in the city. Well-known artists from across the country are participating in the program. It's a real treat for the Mangaloreans. On Friday, March 14, Pandit Vijaya Gate enthralled the audience with his tabla solo recital at Town Hall. TV Daiji World brings you some exclusive clippings. That's all we have from our news desk. Now before we start our entertainment bash, let us take a short break here. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back with some wonderful songs.
ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಗೊಬ್ಬ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೇಕು.
Apurva for AptLab.
बहरीनात आणि मस्कताक जाय पडल्यात हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊस मेड्स, अरेबिक कुक आणि हाऊस बॉयज मुंबईत रावची गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची व्यवस्था, इमिग्रेशन, तिकेट आणि मेडिकल सगळे सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मँगलोर 575006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आता 23व्या वर्सांत.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.